What's up, my YT homies? What it do, and what it do? It's your girl Alethea coming back in with another video, and in this video I am going to share with you all how I started my sister's micro braid locks on her 3A hair. Some might even say she has 2C hair. She has a very fine textured hair, very silky hair. It really does not even have a curl to it. It has like a light wave, not even a deep wave. But I started off doing interlocks to her hair, and because of the fact that the hair kept slipping, that wasn't working out, so I did the braid locks and then I interlocked her roots. So that was the best way to start her locks for me, because usually when you're doing interlocks you get that at the end. Like when they do Sisterlocks or the interlocks, you get a little bit of roughness at the end so that it'll stop as you're going through with the interlock. But her hair wasn't doing that for me, so I had to just go ahead and braid lock and interlock the root. And starting it with a twist was not going to work because those were just going to unravel on her hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I did my sister's micro braid locks, then please continue to watch. All right, so I have started micro braid locks on my sister's hair. She has like 3A, very fine silky hair. Now I started off on this row. All three of these are interlocked all the way through, but because I couldn't get her ends right so that I can finish micro locking it, or so that I can finish interlocking it, I started braid locking, and then I do the 2-point rotation at the root. So that is what I have going on. Okay, so the lighting is better on this side. So one of the reasons why I wanted to lock my sister's hair up, and I said something to her about locking her hair up, and she probably gonna kill me for pointing this out, but she has thin edges and she has thin back here, and she has a tendency to pull ponytails and stuff back up in her head. Now I'm not saying that I think locking her hair is going to cause this to grow back, but what I am saying is I figured this is a way to stop her from putting all the extra tension on her hair that she doesn't need to. So since that was, couldn't see that good on that side, so looking at it on this side where the light is, so I didn't, the parts ended up being like even. I tried to start them off by doing a brick layer, but it didn't work out for me, so it's like this. And I'm about to, actually this right here though did not take me a long time to do, so it's about 2 hours for this side, so I'm assuming about 2 hours for this side. I don't know if we're gonna do all the bag before she leaves today, but we'll do most of the bag before she leaves today, and then the rest of it later on this week if I don't do the whole bag, which I probably won't because of the time of day. And but anyway, so that's where we are. But I know I'll finish this up and at least probably this part right here. So we'll see as the time goes on. But that is what I have going on with her, some braid locks. Oh, and I was not about to try to do twist because twist was just not going to work. No. Okay, so we are now done with this side, and it took me a little over an hour to do this side because, hold your head, oh girl, my second break, well, my break on this side wasn't that long. So this is what we have on this side. So I'm going to count how many I have on each side before I go to the back. I think we're gonna do the back tomorrow and stop here, or I may do a few back here and then we finish tomorrow, but we're gonna finish it tomorrow when she gets off of work.
I'm gonna be calling my neck.
All right, you guys, so I have partially made it through her hair. All we have left is this little section right here, and it actually didn't take me as long to do her hair as I thought it was going to take. What time is it, Shantae? It is 6:35 and we started at 1:35, so you could say 5 hours, but technically not, because y'all already know your girl has some breaks, and so she wants me to go ahead and wet her ends up since she does have to work tomorrow, even though she works at people's houses. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do what she wants me to do.
Don't do that.
I'll probably pat it up to make it curlier, but she doesn't have a tight curl pattern, so I'm gonna need to twist it up to make some little curlies come up in there. So that's pretty much where we're at, and I'm keeping a count of how many she has so far, and I'll let you guys know how many she has once I've finished it all. And her hair is not as many as someone else would have if they had thicker hair, because she doesn't have, you know, real thick hair. So but she has enough, and as they fill out, I think it's gonna look really, really nice. All right, you guys, so I am at the end of her hair. Pretty much, I have like 4 more to go, and then we'll be done with this. So let me show y'all what I have to do. Because her hair will just unravel, in order to keep it together, once I get to a certain point, I do this, right? I take a little bit of hair out. If you've ever seen someone, or if you've ever had micro braids back in the day, or even like they do them now, because people still get them, but you take a little bit of the hair, you loop it around, and you tie it. You tie the hair on itself, and that's what I do. I tie it, and then I go down and I plait a little bit more, and I tie again to keep her hair from unraveling, because it definitely will. Also, let me tell y'all about what she did today. She came here to me talking about these shenanigans with people telling her and saying something about me leaving the ends of her hair undone. And then she even said that one of the people that had something to say was somebody that has sister locks. I said, well, if somebody says something to you about hair being undone and they claim they got sister locks, they don't have sister locks, because I don't know a loctician yet with sister locks that goes all the way to the ends of the lock. I don't know. But anyway, so once I get done with that, I go through and I do a 2-point rotation on her hair, and then I'll go to the next one, and I'll let y'all know the final count once I get done, because I did do a final count. Now what I'm going to do, because when she came at me with those shenanigans about what people were saying, I was gonna go ahead and take the rest of it and plait them all the way down to the ends, but I'm not. I'm going to give her a time to try to learn to wear it, because my sister doesn't know anything about hair. She does not. She does not. So, but I'm gonna give her time to wear it, because she thought, well, it's got these loose ends, it's got this at the ends and stuff. But sweetie, your hair is not, your curl pattern is not that tight, sweetie, so your curls are not gonna be that tight, sweetie. She has to understand that. So anyway, so I'm just gonna let her have a little time. So if in about 2 weeks, if she wants me to go ahead and plait some more at the end, I will do that, but I'm not going to do it before then. So she's just gonna have to deal with it, suck it up, and go on about her business. All right, so here is the final look. I am done with my sister's hair. I threw on her a little bit of makeup. Her eyebrows need to be done, but I didn't have time to do that tonight. But anyway, so this is her look. Turn, 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 and turn, and turn, and turn. My sister has joined the live family with me. So let me tell y'all how many baby locks she has. She has 169 locks. Now, what she was complaining about was people telling her about her ends being like this, and it could have been because her hair was in the middle part, but I flipped it over this way and told her she just twist it this way. And she does not realize that she has versatility with her hair. She can take it and pull this up, and I already explained to her about the scalpy issue, that she's going to see some scalp for a while, but of course she'll be okay. She gonna be alright. She a trooper, she a soldier. She gonna be alright, no limit. See, nice little ponytail with her little bang and all that good jazz. So yes, homegirl is good to go with her 169 locks. So welcome to the live family with your little baby locks, babies. But anyway, that's it for this one. Is there anything you want to say about to the people?
Nothing but thank you.
Hey, so I'm going to be better with doing updates with her, much better than I am with Pumpkin, because Pumpkin is always with my mom, and so sometimes we don't get to do our updates, but we're gonna do our updates, right? All right, so I hope you enjoyed seeing how I started my sister's micro braid locks. I do hope to bring you updates and things on her hair, because when I tell you, when it comes to my child's hair, my updates have been sporadic, because she's always with my mom, so it's so hard to get her in front of this camera to do these updates. And she's almost a year. In September it will be 1 year, but she is loving her hair. So If I don't get in before her 1 year, we'll definitely be in at her 1 year to talk about her hair and her lock journey. So if there's anything you would like to see as far as it goes with my sister's hair, if you would like some commentary from her as far as it goes with her hair, whatever, leave all that down in the comment section and we will definitely get back with you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. In the meantime, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.